This presentation is brought to you by Synergy Business Advisors, Noida, your trusted business mitra. Can a borrower stop a bank auction at the very last minute? Even after the auction is completed and the buyer has paid the full amount? For years, the answer was yes. But after 2016, everything changed. Today, we'll walk through Section 13, Subsection 8 of SARFAESI Act, pre and post amendment, and how the Supreme Court reshaped the law of redemption. India's banking sector needed a faster mechanism to recover bad loans. Earlier, under the Recovery of Debts Due to Banks and Financial Institutions Act 1993, banks had to approach DRTs for recovery. But delays, including automatic stays when borrowers approached BI4 under SICA, slowed down recovery drastically. Committees like Narasimhan Committee recommended stronger recovery powers. This led to the enactment of Securitization and Reconstruction of Financial Assets and Enforcement of Security Interest Act 2002, commonly known as SARFAESI Act. For the first time, banks could seize and sell secured assets without court intervention. Originally, Section 13, Subsection 8 stated, if the borrower paid all dues before the date fixed for sale or transfer, the assets could not be sold. But here, the crucial part, since SARFAESI did not expressly define the right of redemption, courts relied on Section 60 of the Transfer of Property Act 1882. Under Section 60, the borrower's right of redemption continues until it is executed and restored. The Supreme Court in Naran Das Karsonal Das versus S.A. Khautam held that redemption survives until completion of transfer by registration. Even if auction was conducted, bidder paid full amount, sale certificate issued, if the sale deed was not registered, the borrower could still redeem the property. This created serious uncertainty for auction purchasers. In 2016, Parliament amended Section 13, Subsection 8. The words any time before the date fixed for sale were replaced with before the date of publication of notice for public auction. Now the borrower's right of redemption ends on the date of publication of auction notice, not after sale, not after registration, but at the auction notice stage itself. This drastically curtailed the redemption window. In Celier LLP versus Bafna Motors Private Limited, the Supreme Court settled the law. The court held SARFAESI is a special law. It overrides the Transfer of Property Act. Under amended Section 13, Subsection 8, redemption is available only till publication of auction notice. The court emphasized the success of SARFAESI depends on the confidence of auction purchaser. If borrowers are allowed to redeem after auction completion, the entire recovery mechanism collapses. The amendment prevented last-minute redemption tactics that frustrated the recovery process. This is C and IP Praveen Agrawal thanking you for watching. I hope this presentation will be helpful for you. Please subscribe to the channel for more such business related videos. Thank you.